Reciprocating chiller. Central refrigeration machine utilizing a reciprocating compressor. Reciprocating compressors utilize pistons similar to those in internal combustion engines. However, rather than converting expanding combustion products into kinetic energy, a reciprocating compressor applies the kinetic energy of its pistons to compress the refrigerant, raising its pressure. The resulting change in pressure raises the boiling/condensing point of the refrigerant, so that the high temperature, high pressure gas can reject heat in the condenser.